Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford F150 radio full guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery and removing trim panels carefully so clips do not break. Unplug the antenna and harness, then slide the radio out of the dash with even pressure. Test the radio on a bench with 12V power to confirm functionality before reinstalling. If the unit powers on, reconnect and secure all connectors before final reassembly. Let's look at common causes so you know what to expect when troubleshooting. First, fuses and power feeds fail often and are easy to check with a multimeter. Next, grounding issues create weird intermittent behavior that mimics radio failure. Finally, antenna and connector problems lead to reception loss even when the radio powers up. I'll guide you through testing each item step by step so you can isolate the real issue quickly. Thanks for sticking with this guide, and if you're finding it helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while waiting on parts, and it pairs nicely with shop breaks and long diagnostics. I've linked the product and current deals in the description, so check those out if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these repair steps carefully to restore reliable radio performance in your truck. Start with gentle trim removal and label any screws or clips so reassembly is straightforward. Use a 12V bench supply to test the head unit out of the dash and confirm power and ground. Repair or replace faulty wiring and harnesses using quality connectors and dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Finally, test radio functions before reinstallation to ensure success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.